Assalamualaikum. My name is Maria Imam and my teammate is Asma Raza, and our project is supervised by Dr. Saifur Rahman Khan. The name of our project is Solely Survivors, which is a multiplayer game. First of all, I will give you a brief intro about our project. The game is inspired from a real-world scavenger hunt sports. It will offer a platform to different players to compete against each other. The game features a variety of maps and promotes a variety of characters where each character has a unique power. During gameplay, list of objects will be given to each player that each player has to achieve. Non-player characters are also introduced that will provide hints to each player to find certain objects. Hence, the first participating player accomplishing all the list of objects is declared as winner. The main purpose of this game is to create competition among participating players from all over the world. This game is aimed to increase the thinking capabilities of players and help them to make the best strategies with the help of hints and unique powers of characters. Participating players of all over the world can also coordinate with one another and make connections. This game will also provide the unique gaming experience to all the players by introducing different environments and drafting phase, which consists of unique powers. Those powers can be a plus point for players if they know how they can make the best use of it.
Menu scene is displayed on both players' screen. A player has selected town and a character Jasper which creates hurdle and has played the game. Player 2 has selected the same environment town and has selected the character Bullet whose power is super speed and has played the game. You can see that cinematic scene is shown on player 1 screen and player 2 screen. Cinematic scene displays the complete view of the environment. It displays the environment from each angle. You will see it from the top. You can see the whole environment, the houses, the trees, the vehicles. Player 2 has been given the objects to be found. Player 2 has started finding the objects. Player 1 is also in the environment and he will also look for the objects. Player who will achieve these objects first will win the game. You can also see the NPCs, non-player characters who are walking nearby, and player has picked a coin and it is added into his inventory. You can see on the top left, and he has found one object. Now he will interact with the NPC by pressing H, and NPC will give him the hint. Hint will be given, not the object is displayed. By looking at the hint, you have to make strategy that which object you have to find. Now player 1 is also okay. Players can text chat with each other. The text chat is added for fun purpose. Players all around the world are playing together, so they can chat, they can communicate with each other. Player 1 and player 2 are typing messages. Player 1 is getting hint from the NPC and is finding the objects. And he is picking the objects. Objects are added into the inventory. He has found a coin. Coin is added into his inventory. A camera. And again a coin which is added into his inventory. Player 2 is also looking for the objects. Player achieving all the objectives first will win the game, will be regarded as the winner. Player 1 is finding the objects. Uh, he has found another coin. By jumping on the hurdles, he will be achieving that coin. And player 1 has won the game. I'm animated.